Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this nice, soft glam makeup look. I know the holiday season is here, is in full effect, so we got to get right for these holiday parties, ladies. But without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright y'all, so I am jumping right into this makeup look. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I just had to put that out there because, yeah, I'm not a professional. I just like doing my makeup every now and again. So, I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. This is how they looking today. I did go ahead and apply 2 primers. I used the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. I used this one first just because my face is very oily and this keeps the oils in my face. And then next I go in with my and next I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. This also, when I use this primer, I only put it like on my nose and like on my forehead, just because those are the 2 places where I get the oiliest. Yes, those are the 2 places that I get the those are the 2 places that I look greasy, okay? And we're not trying to look greasy for these holiday parties that we go into. Back to my old tried and true this is the BH Cosmetics 88 Neutral Colors palette. I will link this down below. So I'm going to take this light brown shade right here. I'm going to take that one, and that is going to be my transition shade. So just to update you guys, I did actually finish my semester last Friday. I submitted my last paper, and currently, like, I haven't seen my finalized grades like on my transcript, but currently I do have all A's and a B, so I am super excited and pumped about that, just because, like I was telling you on my last video, like, this semester has just been super duper hard. Like, I don't know if it's just like something about junior year, because I do remember, like, in high school, like, my junior year was like my hardest year. And not even because like the work itself was hard, but it was just like I had a lot going on, so just trying to balance everything and get assignments done, it was just like, whoo, child, honey, I needed a break. So I'm definitely excited and thankful for this break that I'm on now. I was on social media the other day, and I had I don't want to say that word, but I did come across the news that the artist Juice WRLD had died from a seizure at the age 21. And I don't know if it's just me, but like, I feel like lately a lot of entertainers, especially young men entertainers, are just dying. Like, what's going on? And it just made me think about how rest in peace to him too as well, Mac Miller. He had just passed, I believe, like last year. So, and I think he was like 21, 22 as well. And it's just like, as I'm approaching my, I don't know, maybe it's just me, y'all, but like, as I'm approaching my 21st birthday, it's just like, I'm just like, wow, I have so much to be thankful for, because it's like all of these young people that, you know, we look up to celebrities. Sometimes it's like, wow, like they have it all, and it's just like, dang, they gone. So I just want y'all to just, as y'all are going into this holiday season, no matter if you're young or old, but that just made me think about how grateful I am to just be here each and every day and have the things that I have and be able to do the things that I can do. So I know Thanksgiving is over, but we are still in the season of just giving and reflecting, just because we're coming to the end of the year, making it through another year. So I just want y'all to definitely keep that in mind, you know, as you are preparing for your shopping and getting gifts for everyone. Just be grateful and thankful for what you have, and also do something for someone else that is not like a family or friend, just because not everyone is able to have the things that everybody pretty much has during this time of the year. So definitely give back this year. I think I want to use this color right here. It's like a nice bronzy color. I'm gonna use that one for my eyelid with the sponge applicator. I did go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera just so that way it could dry before I put my lashes on. And the foundation that I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and I'm going to be using the shade, what is this, 420. So I'm just going to take a pump of that on my sponge. And I also noticed that using less foundation does look a whole lot better for me personally versus going in with like 2 to 3 pumps all over my face. But just working with one pump at a time and just, you know, blending it all out, it definitely does look a whole lot more natural. So I am going to be using my damp beauty sponge, and I'm just going to start applying that all over my face. Alright y'all, so the wig that I'm going to be wearing is an oldie but goodie. This is my Tiara Bob wig. She is a synthetic wig, but this wig has held me down like so long. This is literally my second black one of this, and I do have a blonde one similar to this that I want on my channel, but the black one by this brand is just phenomenal. I believe it's a free tress wig. I believe it's free tress, but I am going to link it down below, and I am going to link the video to this wig because I believe, yeah, I'm going to link the original video down to this wig. But I am going to flat iron her just a little bit so that way it she looks good. But I do want to like show y'all the luster of her. Like, she has a nice like natural hair pressed out look. So yeah, and she's definitely really full, and the length on this wig is perfect. It's not too long or too short. And I do want y'all to get a close-up on this parting space real quick, because this wig does come with the middle part, 2 combs in the front and in the back. But I just want y'all to see how natural the part looks. And normally I don't wear a wig cap. Like, I rarely wear wig caps, but I do like to wear them with my synthetic wigs, just because they make the part pop out a little bit more. And I also like wearing them with like colored wigs. So I'm just gonna throw her on real quick, get her nice and adjusted. I don't even think she needs to be flat ironed. Look at that. You don't even gotta flat iron her. Just brush her really good and you good to go. Out the door. Alright y'all, so this is the outfit. The top is like an off the shoulder blouse, and it has, I want to call these, what are these called? Not balloon sleeves, bell sleeves. So I chose this top just because it's nice and flirty. It gives you that nice, elegant, off-the-shoulder look, but it's also nice and casual because of the material. I am going to get closer that way y'all can see. It's nice and stretchy, so if you do eat something, you're going to be nice and comfortable. You're not going to look bloated. Also because it's black too, so it's going to give you that slimming effect anyway. I paired this with a pair of light wash denim skinny jeans. So yeah, this is definitely for your grown and sexy Christmas party. This is not for the Christmas party with the family, okay? Just a little too much. I don't know, whatever floats your boat. But so I'm just gonna turn around to the back so that way y'all can see the back details of the shirt, because it also just, I just like the way that this shirt just frames and cuts the body. Like, it just looks really good. So, and I did pair this with a simple cross necklace just because, you know, we got a lot going on up here anyway, so I just wanted to keep it nice and simple, just because just because I wanted to keep the attention on the neckline anyway. So a simple necklace, and then I paired it with these diamond dropped earrings. The reason why I chose gold jewelry is just because to stick with the bronzy look that we got with the eyes. And I'm also going to show you guys the shoes that I'm wearing with this in a second and give y'all a full like 360 of the whole entire outfit. But I do believe I got this top from Route 21 for $8. Yes, I did. So I got this top for like about $8 from Route 21. The jeans are from Macy's and they were about $20. So in total, this outfit is less than $50. Like I said, I want this whole entire look to be nice and affordable for you guys. And even if I'm gonna try to find links to the actual pieces, but if I can't, I'm gonna post something similar so that way y'all can get a similar look. But I'm gonna show y'all the shoes that I'm pairing it with real quick before I give y'all 360, because unfortunately the frame is not big enough. But anyway, so I am going to be pairing this outfit with my black pumps. And yeah, I really did enjoy this, and I can't believe I recorded everything in my room. Like,